Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to update Amazon Music. So actually guys, first you will need to open up the store. If you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, you will need to go with the Apple App Store. If you're on an Android, you will need to go with the Google Play Store. Okay, so once you tap the app, you will need, of course, to look for the Amazon Music using the search bar on the bottom right, and then just go with Amazon Music with this icon. Okay, and all you need to do then is to go and click on update, of course, if it available. Okay, also guys, I really have another option or another method which can allow you to update it real quick. So just go and tap on your profile icon that's located at the top right corner, and after that you will need to go with the updates section at the bottom. So here where you can find the upcoming automatic updates or the upcoming updates, so you can just go and tap on updates right here. Also you can check if an app should be updated, right? So just locate the Amazon Music and update it. So actually guys, you will need to make sure that you have enough storage on your device. Also make sure to use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges, and restart the app after updating and log in again if needed. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.